Hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to do something different. In my earlier lessons, I use the whiteboard to teach my lessons. But today, I hope to do this in a very practical way. So, this is a practical session. I am going to ask you some questions. These questions are based on am is are. So, while asking questions, you can answer my questions in short. You can give me a short answer. For an example, now if I ask, where am I? Where am I? I am here. I am at home. Are you at home? So you can say, yes, I am. Or you can say, no, I am not. The answer is short. Now, when we speak in English, sometimes we give very short answers. Are you at home? You can give me a short answer. Yes, I am. Or if you are not at home, you can say, no, I am not. Then where are you? Are you at hospital visiting a patient? You can say, yes, I am. If you are not at hospital, you can say, no, I am not. Then where are you? Are you in the office working hard? If you are in the office, you can say, yes, I am. If you are not in the office, you can say, no, I am not. Then where are you? Are you on the bus going home or going to your working place? You can say, yes, I am. If you are not on the bus, you can say, no, I am not. Is your husband at home? Is your husband at home? You can say, yes, he is. You can say, no, he isn't. Is your wife at home? You can say, yes, she is. If she is not at home, you can say, no, she isn't. So you can give me, when we speak in English, you can use short answers like that. Then where are your children? Are they at home? If the children are at home, you can say, yes, they are. The children are not at home. In that situation, you can say, no, they aren't. Are your children at home? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Now, I am a teacher. Are you a teacher? If you are a teacher, you can say, yes, I am. You are not a teacher, then you can say, no, I am not. Then what do you do? What do you do? Are you a doctor? If the answer is yes, you can say, yes, I am. If the answer is no, you can say, no, I am not. Then are you a farmer? What is your answer? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you a politician? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is your wife a nurse? Is your wife a nurse? You can say, yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is your husband a policeman? You can say, yes, he is. Or you can say, no, he isn't. Is your son a doctor? You can say, yes, he is. No, he isn't. Now, I am very tired. Are you tired? What is your answer? If you are tired, you can say, yes, I am. If you are not tired, you can say, no, I am not. Then are you sleepy? What is your answer? You can say, yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you hungry? You can say, yes, I am. No, I am not. Is your wife beautiful? What is your answer? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is your husband handsome? What is your answer? Yes, he is. You can say, no, he isn't. Is your wife thin? What is your answer? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is your husband fat? What is your answer? Yes, he is fat. No, he isn't. Now you see, my country is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a beautiful country. Is your country beautiful? Is your country small or large? My country is an island. My country is small. My country is an island. I am a Sri Lankan. Sri Lankans are very famous in the world. Sri Lankans are very hospitable. They are very friendly with other people. How about you? Are you friendly with other people? Are you hospitable too? So you can use amisa like this. When you are in a certain place, maybe at home or on the bus or in the garden, on the road, to talk about these things, you can use amisa. I am on the bus now, right? I am at home now. I am in my car now. You can use amisa to talk about your professions. For an example, I am a teacher. What do you do? Are you a farmer? Are you a doctor? Are you an engineer? So to talk about your professions, you can use amisa. And I am now tired. Are you tired now? You can use adjectives with amisa. She is beautiful. My son is tall. Her hair is long. She is angry with me. They are very proud. You can use adjectives with amisa. So these are the three types of sentences that you can use, that you can talk by using amisa. See you again. Goodbye.